Okay. I see we have a Finastra design kit that we're looking at, and they say it's inspired by material design. Let's jump in and see what they have. So this looks pretty standard material design, polished quite a bit. If I'm to be honest, doesn't look as bad as material. Obviously, it's their branding and stuff. But yeah, this is a good example from what I can see of how material design can actually be used and actually looking good. And they have a bunch of charts and stuff that they've added extra. Yes, it's actually pretty clean, not necessarily up to date with the latest Android or better said material design style. And I don't think they have, yeah, maybe they updated it in the meantime. It looks like a bit like an older design system. But again, for an Android, it looks pretty good. And it looks like they have simplified and optimized the component as well. So yeah, might be a bit outdated, but not bad. Not bad at all.